Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of algebraic expressions. This is 6th question of its exercise 12.3. So the question says that simplify the expressions and find the value if x is equal to 2. So first part is x plus 7 plus 4 x minus 5. So x plus 7 4 को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So 4x minus 20. x plus 4x 5x हो जाएगा and 7 minus 20 minus 13. Put x equal to 2. So 5 into 2 minus 13 is equal to 10 minus 13 is equal to minus 3. Second part is 3 x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7 is equal to 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 3x plus 6 plus 5x minus 2. So 3x plus 5x हो जाएगा 8x and 6 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1. Then put x equal to 2. So 8 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Third part is 6x plus 5 x minus 2. 6x plus 5 से अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So 5x minus 10. 6x plus 5x 11x minus 10. Put x equal to 2. So 11 into 2 minus 10. 22 minus 10 is equal to 12. Fourth part is 4 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. 4 को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 8x minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. 8x plus 3x 11x minus 4 plus 11 plus 7. Put x equal to 2. So 11 into 2 plus 7 is equal to 11 into 22 plus 7 is equal to 29. So value of first expression is minus 3, for second 15, for third 12, and for fourth expression the value is 29. Thank you.